My whirlpool dryer won't start and has a flashing light on the dial.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. Do you have a model number so that I can better assist you? And which light is flashing on the dial exactly?
WGD 9600 TA1, and it's the light in front of the pointer on the cycle selector. It started a cycle, seemed to fire up breifly, but then quit and the light started flashing. WGD 9600 TA1, and it's the light in front of the pointer on the cycle selector.
OK, press and hold the end of cycle signal button or control lock button for 5 seconds, depending on what it's labeled on your plastic control panel, to see if the control panel will reset. If not, then unplug the dryer for 5 minutes and see if the electronics reset. If nothing works, then the interface control kit will need to be ordered and replaced because it has shorted for one reason or another. Below is a link to the interface kit you'd need to order for your model. If there is anything else I can help you with today, just let me know. You can continue asking questions for as long as you like, even after you rate me. Click the Continue Conversation link if you would like to continue this conversation. If you are done and rate a 1 or 2 star, please consider using the Continue Conversation link and telling me what more I can do or what more you would have liked that was within my power so that I possibly give you that information or help me improve my customer satisfaction rating.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.